How to send music in Instagram direct message. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Play Store, tap on the search icon and type Instagram. Now click on search and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on update. Now after updating go back to the home screen. Now open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on message at the top right corner. Now open up your chat. Now tap on the sticker icon. Again tap on the sticker icon at the bottom center. Now simply tap on music. Now select the music you want to share. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.